We are the Gujarat Technological University. Since its inception over a decade ago, GTU has been empowering young and curating minds to realize their true potential. Over 4 lakh inspired students are enrolled with one of the premier academic universities in India. With more than 450 affiliated colleges in its fold operating across 5 zones of the state, GTU, the International Innovative University, your place to move forward.
In this example, a 132 kV line with 1.956 centimeter diameter, that is the diameter of conductor, is built so that the corona takes place if the voltage exceed 210 kilovolt RMS value, if the value of potential gradient of which the ionization occurs can be take place taken as 30 kilovolt, that is the maximum value per centimeter. So find the spacing between conductors. Assuming M0 equal to 1, delta equal to 1. Now the given data so we have M0 equal to 1, delta equal to 1, right? Then G0 equal to 30 by root 2, it is 21.1 kilovolt per centimeter, which is given, right? And descriptive voltage VD is also given. That value is 210 by root 3. Why divided root 3? Because it is line value, so phase value is divided root 3, so 1 to 1.25 kilovolt, right? So these are the data. Now what we can find, that is the D is the question mark. D is the spacing between conductors. Now what is the equation? The equation is Vd equal to m0 z0 delta r log E d by r kilovolt per phase RMS. Now we'll put Vd equal to, what is the Vd? This is the Vd, and that answer is 1 to 1.25 is equal to m0. What is the m0? M0 is 1, so putting 1. Z0 is 21.21. Multiply delta, the density is 1. Then R, what is the R? R is also given. What is the value of R? R equal to 1.956 by 2, where this is the diameter. So answer is 0.978. So I will put here 0.978. Then log D is, the spacing is not given, and the R is given 0.978. Now we need to calculate this D. So the summation of this means multiplication of this, that answer is 20.733 log D by that 0.978 P, and here 1 to 1.25. So I will take this in another side. So the answer, the log D by 0.978 P is equal to 1 to 1.25 divided 20.733, and the answer is 5.848. But this is the log based on E, so we need to convert into based on 10, right? So it is 2.3 into log D by 0.978, and the base is 10, and the answer is 5.848. So log D by 0.978 base is 10 is equal to 5.848 by 2.3, and that answer is 2.5426. Now we need to do the anti-log of this. You can do in calculator. So the D by 0.978 is equal to anti-log of 2.5426, and the anti-log of this value is 348.8, right? And D by 0.978. So we have D equal to 348.8 multiply 0.978, and the answer of D is equal to 341 centimeter. So this is the line spacing, right? And D we can calculate 341 centimeter. So this is the second example. Here we directly use the same thing. We have used that same equation, but the data, the other data are given. Vd is given, m0 is given, g0 is given, delta r is given. The D is not given, this question mark. So we can solve this by the equation. And the last example,